Hey guys, so this is the second video reporting on my channel analytics. So for this week, I released one new video, which is this react to a new Deep Purple song called Lazy Sod. It's performing well so far, so let's go to the video analytics. It has 173 views. This video was uploaded on Thursday, so pretty much 3 days ago. I'm recording this on Sunday. 9 hours of watch time so far, one new subscriber. If we look at where these viewers are coming from, it started with mostly search, like 98% search, something like that. Now recommendations are picking up as well, so it's 55% search and recommendations almost at 40%, and then some other traffic sources down below. In terms of reach, right when it was posted, the click-through rate was really good. It was above 12%, and it dropped over time, but it's still at 5.1%, which is pretty good. So 2.6k impressions, 5.1% click-through rate, 173 views, 55 unique viewers. Again, we look at traffic sources. It's the same numbers that we have just looked. This is the funnel, and users are retaining for about 3 minutes, right? 3.7. So this is the retention. Retention is, I would say it's okay. There's a big dip here in the beginning that I will try to address, even though there's nothing too specific here. Maybe the pace with which I introduced the video. Then here it's kind of okay, and then this most significant dip is pretty much when the song ends, and then I do some final remarks. So maybe I'm rambling too much here. Maybe people just want to stay until the song is over, right? So I'm gonna test out some things in terms of the ending of this format of video in the future, and that's pretty much it. If we go to the channel dashboard, to the analytics, we'll see that we gained 10 watch time hours. We have, and this is last 28 days, right? So 768 views, 4 subscribers. You see the frequency here, some shorts posted, not super frequent. Then my first long form that I released the week before last, this flopped completely, right, as we can see. And so the idea here was to hop on the AI trend. It did not work. So that's a topic that I will not be choosing again so soon. Now for this one, for the purple, it was a combination of two things. In my previous channel that I kind of was on and off for a while, one thing that I tried and had some interesting results were reaction videos. So I knew that this was a format that could work, so I thought I'd try that again. And then the second thing is make it searchable and do some nice SEO. So that's what I did. And the third thing is if we can hop on something that is new and trending. So this song and this record by Deep Purple are being released now. So this is something that within the niche of rock and roll and music, it's kind of trending. So that's why we see the video, slow and steady so far, right? Not crazy amounts of views, but you can see that it's steady over these past few days. And if we go to last 365 days, because remember guys, this is a new channel, so main goal is to be able to monetize the channel. So we need to reach the 4,000 hours in terms of watch time, and we need to reach 1,000 subscribers. So this is a progress so far. We had some shorts experiments earlier. As we can see, not great results with shorts. 2 of them passed the 1,000 views mark. The others, some around 500, and then a lot that flopped below the 100 views, right? So then I switched the strategy to long form, and we are already seeing better results. Also because long form, it's way easier to hit watch time, right? Then if we look at content, not that much data yet. Audience as well still needs to gather some more data on specific videos, right? And some stuff. YouTube's still trying to figure out the audience, right? But we see some geographies here. So Germany, US, Brazil. Germany, I think, has a lot of the views on the short videos. And then we see age. Like, I have 2 videos on Led Zeppelin stuff, 2 short ones that have a lot of this age group here, above 50. But then if we look at the new video, which is, and these are some videos that are scheduled. But if we look at this video here, I believe, okay, we don't have audience data yet. Anyways, that is pretty much the report for the week. So the experiment was long form and reaction videos. That's showing some promise. We have some more content schedule, right? So we have some reaction videos here and some other experiments that we're gonna do and talk about in future reports. So that's it. Let me know if you have any suggestions on how to make this report better. See ya.